So I'm going to do this outside because the polishing makes quite a mess. But what I'm trying to show you in the light here is how scuffed and scratched the bezel is around this stainless steel Citizen watch. There's a big scuff there. So we're going to clean all of that up. As you can see, before I even get started, what I've done is I've put some painter's tape over the crystal and carefully trimmed with an X-Acto blade the tape so that it perfectly protects the crystal from the polishing we're about to do. I may not bother too much with the space between the lugs, but we'll also kind of buff up the sides here. So we're going to take some polishing rouge that comes in a lot of Dremel kits. We're going to turn the Dremel on. It's been sort of anchored down here. And we're just going to work it on there well so that there's a nice coating. Okay. And now that there's some on there, I'm going to carefully buff around the surface. It's looking really fine. I'll have to show you a close-up after I'm done here. I'm going to put a little more rouge on. I didn't coat it very uniformly. I'll work around it a little bit more. And the goal is not to stay in one spot for too long. We're not trying to dig into the metal. And something like a Dremel will do that even with a cloth polishing bit like this. The polisher is basically fine grinding paste. If you stay in one spot too long, you can wear down and kind of create uneven spots. But this is what it's meant for. I'm just inspecting for any spots that still have a residual scratch that I'd like to kind of work out while I'm at it, but it's looking really good. That's all it takes. Kind of quickly give the side a little buff. And gently, you don't want to get the buttons. But you tend to get little nicks and scratches near the edges of the lugs, so. Very nice. Do one more around here. I'd rather do it once and be done. Coating. There we go.